We hope to be able to buy all of our vegetables from a nursery soon, but just in case we can't, we've gone ahead and sprouted some of those vegetables in our kitchen. And now we're working on the plot itself. We went with a 30-foot by 30-foot garden, and Joel's tilling it up. The kids are helping to pull a little bit of grass off, playing around mostly, finding June bugs and having a good time. And we're going to get the soil ready.
Oh, there he goes. Hi, buddy. He'll be out in June. It's a little early for him. I wanted to show you my little windowsill nursery here with my sweet potato, celeries, sprouting potatoes, and lettuces. We'll see if they do anything.
After we tilled our soil at our garden spot, we realized that the soil was not very good. It's okay, it's not solid clay, but it's definitely kind of a loamy, tan, kind of looks like backfill maybe from the construction of the cabin area years ago. So we're getting some of this beautiful compost from our woods, leaf compost, this beautiful black, rich soil, and we're putting several loads of this on the garden to amend the soil.
So we're finishing off this little project that we started, and the water line is buried on that upper section over here. We kind of got the water line secured to the drain pipe, and then I'm digging a ditch or a trench here to bury the water line. I'm going to try and go 9 inches or 12 inches down, and it's going to go right from there where the drain lets out, and it's going to go all the way to the corner of the garden. And the idea is that that line will be emptied every season, so it doesn't have water in the line over the winter. And then we're going to connect it up to this sprinkler box, so we can disconnect everything at that box, and then it's all safe underground, and hopefully we have good access at that point too. So I got another 7 or 8 feet to go, and hopefully that's all the digging that's required.